trigonometry ratios up to transformation. This chapter belongs to Mathematics 1A, Part 13. Today, last class discuss, sketch the graph of the given trigonometric functions. Today also we explain some more problems, previous problem model, previous part problems model. First problem is tan x between 0 and pi by 4. Sketch the graph tan x, trigonometric function tan x in the interval 0, pi by 4. First of all, we have to put y is equal to tan x. First of all, we have to take y is equal to tan x. After that, we have to take a table. In this table, this one is the x, this one is the y, this one is the order pair x comma y. First point 0 is the first interval. Next 45. Then we have to take pi by 4. Radius nothing but 45. Just two values. If y is equal to tan, if you have to take x value is 0, tan 0 value is 0. We have to take tan pi by 4 nothing but 45 degrees. Tan 45 value is 1. What is the order pair? This one 0, 0 order pair. This one is pi by 4, 1 is the order pair. Using this order pair, you can draw the graph by the two-dimensional coordinates. This one is the x-axis. X-axis are located radians or degrees. Y-axis located real numbers. This one is 0. This one is pi by 4. This one is what here? 1, 2, and so on. Minus 1, minus 2. First of all, what is the 0? 0, 0. Nothing but origin. Pi by 4, 1. This one is a pi by 4. This one is a 1. This is the point of intersection of pi by 4, 1. You can locate this one. You can locate this one is this is the graph of y is equal to tan x. Which graph this one is? Y is equal to tan x graph in the interval of 0, pi by 4. In the interval of 0, pi by 4 is this one is a graph. This is a very easy, simplest graph before problems model. Next problem is very important problem. 2 marks or 4 marks. Sketch the region enclosed by y is equal to sin x, y is equal to cos x in the interval 0, pi. Thus, that graph lies on x-axis. First of all, we have to take y is equal to sin x. In this y is equal to sin x, you can first write the table of y is equal to sin x. In this y is equal to sin x, we have to draw the table. This one is a x, this one is a y. First we have to take 0. After that we have to take pi by 4. Pi by 4 nothing but 45 degrees. After that we have to take pi by 2. After that we have to take 3 pi by 4. After that we have to take pi 180. 0, 45, 90, 135, 180. First we can write sin 0, 0, sin pi by 4, sin 45, 1 by 2. Sin 45 was 1 by 2. Sin 90 value is 1. Sin 3 pi by 4, sin 3 pi by 4 value is 90 plus 1. 3 by 4 is 135. 90 plus 45. Cos 45, 1 side and 1 by root 2. This one is also 1 by root 2. Next sin pi value is 0. Here 1 by root 2 approximately 1.2 nothing but 10 by 12 0.98 something. You can 1 by root 2 nothing but 0.8. Here also be 1 by root 2 nothing but 0.8. 1 by root 2 you can write decimal form, that is 0.8. After that we have to take order pair. Here order pair is what? Here order pair is x comma y. 0 comma 0, pi by 4 comma 0.8, pi by 2 comma 1. This is order pair. 3 pi by 4 comma 0.8. Next 5 comma 0. 5 comma 0. This is the 1 by root approximate value. Root 2 value is 1 point something. That's why 1 by 1.2 nothing but approximate value is 0.8 something. After that, we have to take cos. Y is equal to cos x. Table. In the interval, same interval, we have to take same values. What is the same values? First we have to take x, y. First we have to take 0, pi by 4, pi by 2, 3 pi by 4. Next we have to take pi. Same radius we have to take. Cos 0, 1. Cos pi by 4, nothing but 45, 1 by root 2, nothing but 0.8. Cos 90, 0. Cos 3 pi by 4. Cos 3 by 4, 3 pi by 4, nothing but cos 135 value is minus 1 by root. Minus 1 by root, nothing but minus 0.8. Cos pi value is minus 1. This is the y is equal to cos x table in the interval of 0 comma pi. In this 0 comma pi interval, what is the order base? Order base 0 comma 1 first order pair, pi by 4 comma 0.8 second order pair, pi by 2 comma 0 is the third one, 3 pi by 4 comma minus 1 minus 0.8 is the fourth order pair, pi comma minus 1 is the next order pair. You can use these two order pairs, these two tables. You can draw the graph. This is the sin x table, this is the cos x table. First we can sketch the graph sin x. After that you can sketch the graph cos x. After that, what is the region bounded by the two graphs? Discuss. Here, in x-axis, here only positive is there. This is the y-axis. This one is the x-axis. In x-axis, this one is the origin. First degree is pi by 4. Next one is pi by 2. Next one is 3 pi by 4. Next one is what here? Pi. First of all, you can draw the cos x 0 comma 0. You can draw the sin x 0 comma 0. Pi by 4 comma 0.8. You have to take 1. This one is 2. This one is minus 1. This one is minus 2. Pi by 4 comma 0.8 nothing but pi by 4. This one 0. Approximately here. This is a pi by 4 comma 0.8. Next pi by 2 comma 1. This one is a pi by 2. This one is a 1. This is the intersection point. Next 3 pi by 4 comma 0.8. This one is a 3 pi by 4. This one is a 0.8. This one is a 0. Approximate. I have to take approximately. Pi comma 0. This is a pi comma 0. You can join these all points. What is the first point here? First point is 0 comma 0. Second point is pi, third point, fourth point, fifth point. This is the graph of y is equal to sin x. Which graph this is? Y is equal to sin x graph. After that, you goes to cos x. 0 comma 1. This is the point of 0 comma 1. Pi by 4 comma 0.8. Second point pi by 4 comma 0.8 nothing but this is the intersection. This is the pi by 4 comma 0.8. These two tables, sin x and cos x, pi by 4 comma 0.8 is a common point. That common point here is called intersection point. Next, pi by 2 comma 0. This is a pi by 2 comma 0. 3 pi by 4 comma minus 0.8. This is a 3 pi by 4. This is a minus 0. This is the value. Next, pi comma minus 1. Pi comma minus 1, this is a minus 1, this is a pi. You can draw the first point, second point, third point, fourth point. This one is a graph. This is a graph of which one? Y is equal to cos x. This is a graph of y is equal to cos x. In this graph, you can reason one. Sketch the reason enclosure. Here, this is the sin x graph. This one is the cos x graph. This is the region bounded by the two graphs. What is the region bounded? This is the region bounded. This region bounded by the 0 to pi by 2. This region bounded. These two graphs are intersected, or these two graphs are divided in the pi by 4. This pi by 4 divides these two graphs. This is the region bounded by the y is equal to sin x and y is equal to cos x graph. This is a very important, useful in the intermediate examinations. Next one, y is equal to cos square x in the interval 0 comma pi. Here you have to take interval is 0 comma pi interval. Curve is trigonometric function is cos square x. First we have to take a table. In this table, y is equal to cos square x. Y is equal to what? Cos square x. In this cos square x, first we have to draw the table. In this table, we have to take a range is 45 degrees. 0, pi by 4, pi by 2, 3 pi by 4, 5. Each interval in the range of 45 degrees or pi by 4 radians. Here, first we have to take y is equal to cos square 0. Cos 0 value is 1. Then cos square 0 also be 1. This is the 1. This is the order pair of 0 comma 1. This one is a x comma 1. This is a 0 comma 1. Next, y is equal to cos square pi by 4. Cos pi by 4 how much? 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 whole square. 1 by root 2 whole square nothing but 1 by 2. 1 by 2 value is 0.5. This value is 1 by 2, nothing but 0.5. Pi by 4 comma 0.5 is the next order pair. After that, pi by 2. Cos square pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 nothing but 90 degrees. Cos 90 is 0. 0 square also is 0. This is value of 0. Pi by 2 comma 0. Next, cos square 3 pi by 4. Cos square 3 pi by 4. Cos square 3 pi by 4 nothing but cos 3 pi by 4 whole square. Cos 3 pi by 4 value is minus 1 by root 2. Minus 1 by root 2 whole square. Nothing but 1 by 2. 1 by 2 value is once again 0.5. This is also be 0.5. 3 pi by 4 comma 0.5. Next one is cos pi. Cos square pi. Y is equal to cos square pi. What is the value of cos pi? Cos pi value is minus 1. Minus 1 whole square. Nothing but plus 1. This is the value of plus 1. This is the pi comma 1. We have to take two-dimensional figure. In this two-dimensional geometry, x dash, y dash, this one is the order. First we have to take pi by 4. After that, pi by 2. After that, we have to take 3 pi by 4. After that, we have to take pi. I will take pi. First of all, here we have to take 1. This one is 2. This one is minus 1. This one is minus 2. In this graph, does not lies in the negative axis. Why? Because this graph does not lies in the negative x-axis. Here, in this graph, cos square is there. Square nothing but positive is positive, negative also be positive. That's why this is not in the negative axis. Just this graph total lies on the positive x-axis. Right. 0 comma 1. This is a 0 comma 1. Pi by 4 comma 0.5. This is the pi by 4. This is 0.5. This is 0. See pi by 4 comma 0.5. Pi by 2 comma 0. This is the value of pi by 2 comma 0. 3 pi by 4 comma 0. 3 pi by 4 comma 0.5. This is the 3 pi by 4. This is the 0.5. This is the point of 3 pi by 4 comma 0.5. Next pi comma 1. This one is the pi. This one is the x. This is the pi comma 1. After that, join all values. This is the graph. This graph is y is equal to cos square x in the interval of 0 comma pi interval. Y is equal to cos square x graph is this one. This is the concept of trigonometric functions. Draw the graphs. This is very useful. Periodic function and graphs of the trigonometric function both are compulsory coming to the one question in intermediate examination. This exercise 6 be completed.
in this last problem. This one is